Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we have here. So here's the stable loads on the lower overload spring. I have not used these yet. They've been on there for about 5 or 6 months, and as you can see, the black powder coat is already starting to chip off, which I'm not too happy about. Now, I live in Ohio, so we do get some crazy weather here, so you know, with salt and all the brine crap that they put on the roads, yeah, it's gonna eat away at the finish. But I would think that they would have maybe put that on a little thicker, or perhaps a different coating of some sort. But for only being about 6 months old and never used yet, kind of disappointed in the finish of the product. However, so there's the lower overload springs, and then on the top, the upper overload spring, I have installed those bad boys. And here's the one in the back. So I have not seen any videos with these actually installed on a Ram 3500. Again, mine is a 2016. So I kind of wanted to put this out there. Maybe it'll help other people that are thinking about this, and kind of give them a heads up as to what's going on. So like I said, I had to remove this plastic wheel liner. That was probably the hardest part of the entire install. If you've never done that, and I did it when it was cold, so that didn't help. So it was pretty much a pain in the butt. Anyway, let me show you how these guys work real quick. So pull the pin. Get that pin out. Now I've got mine a little loose. Some you can turn by hand, and some you have to use a ratchet. So you put that in there like that, put your pin back in. Put your cotter pin in, and that's it. You do that on all 4 sides, and you're good to go. No air compressor, no airbags to inflate or deflate. When you're done towing, just do it in reverse. Pull your pin, pull that bad boy. Now that's a little tough getting out. Let's go like that. Slide your pin in and put your cotter pin in, just like that. So it's pretty easy. Go over here to the passenger side. I will say that the back portion of the plastic wheel liner does kind of get in the way. You can pull it back. You can also trim this if you want down here in the corner. I don't really want to at this point. I just don't think it'll look good with it being all shaved off. So I'm just going to leave it and deal with it for now. Here's the passenger side of the upper overload. And there's the passenger side of the back. I will tell you that did this in my brother's shop in the wintertime. Jacked up the rear axle and put jack stands under the frame and let the rear axle kind of hang down. And that made my life a lot easier putting those upper overloads on. So just take your time, and it won't be no problem at all. So anyway, I just wanted to do this fairly quick video just to show you guys what I have. I'm getting ready to go pick up my fifth wheel from the dealer right now. No, it's not brand new that I'm picking it up. They've been working on it pretty much non-stop. So we're getting ready to go on our first camping trip for the year. So hopefully they have the punch list all done and complete, and gonna pick it up and bring it home and get it ready for camping this weekend. So I will try to get a video of me lowering the fifth wheel onto the truck and see what happens with the leaf springs, and then I will give you guys a review on how it rides, how it drives, how it handles, and we'll go from there. All right, see you in a bit.